All right, time to do a CSS battle. Let's see what we have. We have some dot sort of things. Those don't look like ellipses. Those look like pills. If they were ellipses, I would do a radial gradient and force it to repeat. I don't know if I can do a radial gradient and force it to repeat that looks like a pill. I mean, I could, of course, do a complicated gradient with two circles and a conic or linear gradient in between. But I don't know if I can make a pill with a radial gradient. Yeah, I don't know. So, uh, as much as I hate it, it looks like the play might be box shadow. So we say background is going to be dark purple. Yeah, I think the play is box shadow. We'll see. I'm going to draw one of them with margin and border radius. So margin, I'm going to draw the first one. I think I'm going to move it off screen so I don't have to redeclare background. I can just declare a color, but I need to draw it first. So margin 20, 220, 120, and 20. Outline 1 pixel solid. I should be seeing something. I've had trouble the last couple of days with the previewer not previewing anything. Oh, well, if you don't put a selector in, it doesn't preview anything either. Okay. Let's say margin. Let's just say margin 20. Let's just say ampersand select. Let's say 10 pixel solid. Let's start over. Because I'm doing something stupid. Background. Dark purple. Okay. Outline. 1 pixel solid. Let's say margin 10. Border 20. Solid. Red. Okay, there's the thing. Why am I not seeing an outline? Because I didn't spell outline right this time. Did I do that last time as well? Probably. There it is. Okay. All right. Let's go back to 1 pixel. All right. Margins. 20 was right for the top. 20. 220. Can't tell yet. 180. Too much. 160. That's about right. And let's say 20 is 30. And then this one is going to be closer to 3. Nope. 280. 270. There's the size. Border radius. Can I just give a big value here? 9 inch? Yes, I can. There's one of the things. Now, I want to try to move the thing off screen. So currently it's width. I don't know why, but I'm moving it to that side probably. I don't know. I want to move it off to the side. I could move it off to the top as well. I don't know. There's probably advantages and disadvantages. I don't know what they are. But I'm going to move it off to the side, which means changing this and this. So this needs to become 0 at max. Is that right? Yeah. Nope. All right. So here's the width. And the thing doesn't work right on the extension. So it's 30 to 130. So it's 100 wide. So this needs to become 100 wide. Is that right? That's 30. Yeah. So this needs to become minus 130. This needs to become 400. I think that's right. And then I'm going to say box. I need a semicolon there. Box shadow. Um, Start with 100 pixel 0. Okay, so it's not right. 1. Nope. Okay, that looks better. Yeah, yeah, that's 130. Okay, I think that's going to work. And then we can say color is this light purple. Still need a semicolon there. And then 130, 130. 40. And a bunch more numbers. This is going to be what? 260 and minus 50. 80. Nope. 50 and minus 70. Then 250. 70. 250. 140. I don't think it's going to be right. It's not. 210. Then we're going to have 380, 0, 60, 50, 70. Wow. And 370 and 140. That should be a solution. We're at 10 minutes, 9 minutes, something like that. We can unit replace, minify, submit, gridify. Now, ununit replace. If I move it more, these units might get better. What did I end up with? 164. If I move it to 410 and 110, then these need to become 140 and 260 and 380. Are those better to replace? Yes, they are. Now, we only have 1, 2 that are pixel values in horizontal. Let's try one more thing first. Let's put pixels back, because while those are natural placements, Yeah, there's 3 digits. That's pretty good. I'm not going to get better than that with Q. With Q, I'm just going to get to 4 digits, but minus 70 pixels. Maybe I can get away with, what is 70 pixels? 74Q, 4Q, 4Q. And these ones aren't good yet either. 210. So maybe it actually does. Oh, no, I didn't replace. Okay, 155. I can get rid of one there. Let's see if I can cheat on colors. The background color is that one. That. Can I replace that? Doesn't look very good. Negative. Let's see if I can replace that one. That looks actually quite good. Yeah, happy with that one. 153.20. Can that be 5%? And 410. I don't think that can be a percent. 105%. 4, 3, 2.5. 2.5. That doesn't help though. 160. Can that be 55? Well, it doesn't matter because that one has a negative in front and that and get it's going to be the same. 9 inches. These are all not pixel values. Looks like about what I'm going to get today, at least with that technique. 693 at 152. Uh, I'm sure someone will be much more clever, but that looks like what I have today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.